In our previous video, we gave an overview of the entire process for plastic parts, from order placement to completion, where we briefly touched upon the mold manufacturing stage. Many of you were interested in the specific steps of mold making and how the mold department is structured. So today, we'll continue from the perspective of a mold factory and take a deeper dive into the entire mold manufacturing process. This is our mold design department. Their main responsibility is handling the design and development of the molds. What you're seeing now is our mold designer working on a design. On the screen is a complete set of mold design drawings. It's developed based on the 3D drawings provided by the client. This is a one-cavity mold layout. Next up is our raw material warehouse for molds. It mainly stores purchased mold bases and steel plates of various grades. Over here is the milling workshop, handling the very early stages of mold processing, like drilling and tapping the raw material. Now we're entering our core machining area. This machine here is a CNC machining center. Its job is to shape the workpiece into the geometry and dimensions we need. Right next to it is the EDM machine. It's mainly responsible for machining deep, narrow features like small cavities, thin slots, grooves, corners, and holes with very high precision. Currently, we can achieve tolerances down to 2 microns. This area here is for wire cut EDM. It's primarily used for cutting various holes in the mold, such as ejector pin holes, insert pin holes, angled lifter holes, and so on. It's also a highly precise process. A bit further along is the grinding workshop. Here, they primarily use the grinding wheel on surface grinders to finish the mold surfaces, aiming to reduce the surface roughness and achieve a flatter, smoother finish. What we're looking at now is the mold fitter performing mold fitting. This process really tests the technician's manual skill and accumulated experience. Once the fitting is done, we move on to the mold assembly stage. This is the final step in the physical construction of the mold. After the mold is fully assembled, it can be moved to an injection molding machine for the trial shot phase. Often, based on the results of these trial shots, the mold might need rework. Going back through some of the machining, fitting, or even assembly steps again. Finally, the mold you see here is completely finished. You can see the surface has undergone polishing and texturing. It's now ready to be placed directly into an injection molding machine for mass production.